You the man? You first come out now, you go call your guy. See, come on, give me that thing. So you are here eating alone.
Sorry, sir.
You go die alone, watch on mama. What's the imagine? Come on, listen down here.
Yes, sir.
Huh? If guests come now, you go call your guy. You the man? Huh? So you are here eating alone. See, if you touch this thing again, I will kill you now. Mpama Ocho. Hold this phone for me. Hold this.
You be mumu.
Hello, who am I speaking with? You say you are from where? Yes. On yes. Somebody's raping your daughter. At where? Wait. You say she's 13 years old. Idiot. I will call you.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, are you out of your sense? I said you should hold this thing for me.
Sorry, sir. You be mumu.
You have finished this thing. You know mad? Oh, gosh, I beg you. Ocho, what did you?
Sorry, sir.
Hey, not even single. What did you finish? Come on, front job.
People still carry iPhone.
You said how to front job. Come on. You know mad? I said, do it like this.
Fire for everybody. Big man, teeth money with a hell and like dummy. With a suffer, with a smile, with a fear to talk.
You allow me to do front job for you.
People forget you up.
Come on, let's go. We are going somewhere now. Let's go.
When you promise and the cup, you don't fool. We don't have for all the rubbish and
Hold this thing for me. How can 58 years old man rape just 13 years young girl?
Okay.
Let me do small training before I reach there.
And I am too much.
Papa, who is that fool? Who raped your daughter? Why did you rape his daughter?
Okay, hold on.
Are you out of your sense?
Make I snap you.
I will not you.
Officer,
Okay, hold on. You be mumu.
Snap him. Be fast.
come on, face like this.
Bring your face. Papa, go and bring that your daughter. What is she?
What are you doing? Come here.
I said bring your daughter.
Officers, snap out too.
You think say you
This
dey
is your
wise?
daughter.
Yes.
Wait. Remove your hand. How old is she?
She's 13 years old.
This one 30 years. Turn your back. What am I?
I will beat you. Stay there.
I will show you something now. Come, let me tell you something. Are you sure that this girl here is 13 years old?
I know so. See the ways they pass 13 years too.
Can't you see her background?
Nah, okay. That guy get brain.
I ask you something, they talk another thing. You get mad?
Officer, what are you people doing? Come and take this man to station.
Papa,
wait.
Which one be you?
Wait. We are discussing something.
What are you discussing?
See. If we take this girl now to the station,
Oga
go Yasha. You better make we settle this thing here now. Papa, what you come here? I said you come here. Come here, my friend.
She said she love you, but not of your corner.
We dey here for serious play. You from where? Is it from front or why you touching me?
Serious.
Be serious.
Okay, this guy is hero though. You see how?
Did you bend how you stand straight?
You be mumu.
You.
Hey, mama. Chansa.
I said, Bono, bring your face. I don't want to see your teeth. Did you know your face is just commit?
Raping 13 years.
Don't repeat that thing again. Who is 13 years? This kind of nyash is 13. I will stop you now. How can you say this kind of nyash is 13 years? Who told you it's 13 years? Even this papa says don't even know the age of her daughter.
Are you the one that gave birth to her?
Papa, it's not that we are doubting you, but this your daughter. She's not 13 years old. Shut up. Promise me that you will not come after her again. Are you listening to me? You go now. Then we carry her to our station. Yes, we carry her to our station. Station. You can go. I think you can go. Go. Officer, wait. Papa, come. Papa, see, he's not done. See, he's not done. The offense that this guy and the offense that he committed is not a big offense like that. Just that I'm trying to tell you that we have to settle this issue. Okay. Sorry, I thought I was holding my boy. So boy, we have to settle this thing amicably. We just want to carry her to the station. To investigate if this Nyash is really 13 years old. 13 years old. It's a lie. Papa, you can't tell me that this Nyash
is your daughter.
Okay. Officer, let's go. Just imagine. I'm trying to tell you that this your girl, this your daughter's Nyash. Don't pass Nyash.
Yeah.